Stouffer's lasagna is topped with fresh cheese and aged Parmesan for that irresistible flavor.
What?
Stouffer's, made for you to love.
Sometimes red is just wrong. If you get embarrassing redness on your cheeks, nose, chin, or forehead, your doctor may be able to help. Learn more today at rediswrong.com. How much protein does your dog food have? 18%?
I got you. I got you.
20?
I got you. I got you.
Active dogs crave nutrient-dense food, so we made Purina One True Instinct. Learn more at purina1.com.
Headlock. Foot to suplex. Headlock. Oh. Quarter Nelson.
How shiny he is.
And Asher's on top of the headlock. He's come back up. He's underneath now. He's using the foot. Let's come back, and they're taking a break. Oh, no, come back around again. Oh, no, the break's over. Oh, try to sneak him. Try to sneak him. He tried to play off like, okay, I'm done. Now I gotcha.
Just one more night. Tide plus Febreze. That's my
What you what?
At Best Western.
What you think I'm playing? Oh, think I was playing? Huh? Think I was playing? I'm not playing with you. Go ahead. What? Nah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Got you, nigga. Nah, I quit. Real, I quit. Nah, I got you again. Down at the 40.
That glowing eyes. Now you're pissing me off. My eyes are glowing.
Oh shit, he's about to become the Incredible Cat.
With the big tail.
Don't make me angry. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
Here.
Stop playing. No, I'm cool. It's cool.
Told you stop.
Get you with a 2-piece. I want to fart on you. What you?
Make it easy on me.
Oh, you trying to kick? You...
My tail is bigger than yours.
This is my house. Keep telling you that. Think I'm playing? I ain't playing.
I might not be as furry as you. But underneath that fur, it's just
Yeah,
a
right.
little kitten. Hold on, me myself.
I ain't playing with you.
Here we go. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yellow's eyes is lighting up now. Here we go. That's crazy. Why do cat's eyes do that?
It's just because your light's on it.
The cat's from hell. Look at her eyes glowing.
Their tails.
Wow.
Okay, you guys are getting boring. Light it up. Light it up.
He said, what the? Alright, I'm cool. Yo, I heard a dog, man. It's time to chill. Yo, we got to look out. Where?
Dog?
What?
Dog?
I ain't see no damn dog.
Stupid, turn your back, watch. Pow! It was a dog, man.
Nah, for real. I'm chilling. This is a dog. I heard a dog. Nah, that's cool.
Say, punk. I tried to teach you something. You sitting there looking stupid.
Oh, that's something else. We have to worry about the health of the mother.
Jeez. Got me all paranoid and itchy now.
Joe fears he might lose his wife.
Who?
Just as their newlywed life.